to show you 4 different type of Christmas drinks. So you can make all of these at home, or you can come to this bar and try them. I'm preparing first the traditional German type Glühwein, or Moch wine as it is known in English-speaking countries. Here are the ingredients: lemon, dried orange, red wine, brown sugar, anise, goji berries from Japan, cloves, Irish whiskey, cinnamon, bay leaves. Very important that you heat the wine slowly. You can drink it fast. I'm now adding my ingredients, stirring it only to get the brown sugar distributed. Wine has to be slowly on heat, staying for about 40 minutes, and then afterwards another 20 minutes. I'm just going to try a little bit to see. This is Glühwein, how I know it from Germany. The original Glühwein, just perfect. Happy Christmas to all. Cocktails are created all over the world. I came up with a very, very special cocktail which I created myself. It's a BB special, or Big Bernie special, or B special. So for this I use brown sugar, a very good amount of brown sugar. I dilute with hot water. So just use a little bit of hot water at the moment. Make sure the brown sugar dilutes. Now I put a good measure of dark rum. As it is a B special, it's a B special measure. I now put orange. This is your Big Bernie special. Most important hot drinks in Ireland is the hot whiskey. Wintertime, damp winters, harsh winters, strong winds, people love a hot drink, and as they love whiskey, Irish whiskey, they invented the hot whiskey. We put fresh orange or dried orange, we spigot it with cloves. That is enough flavor. They're very strong in taste and very strong flavor, so you don't need too many cloves to get the. Put them into it. Then the most important thing is Irish whiskey. Again, a good measure of Irish whiskey, and just fill with hot water. This is your hot whiskey. Some people put a little bit of sugar into it to sweeten it a little bit, but most people prefer it without sugar. Another drink very famous in Ireland and in Irish bars is the Irish coffee. Irish coffee was invented in Shannon Airport on the west coast of Ireland. In the late 50s, early 60s, American troops were shipped forward and backwards between Europe and America, and they stopped over for refueling their aircraft in Shannon. So one soldier went into the local Irish bar in Shannon Airport, and he ordered a whiskey and a coffee. So the barman, as clever as he was, put everything into one glass and said, "Here is your Irish coffee." And this was the start of the famous Irish coffee. I'm showing to you now how to prepare a typical Irish coffee. So we start obviously with the most important thing in Irish coffee is Irish whiskey. I'm using the Jameson whiskey, and I give a good shot. I put my brown sugar into it, give it a good stir to dilute the sugar. Use the spoon in not to crack the glass. I put a little drop of hot water, just to make sure the sugar is diluting properly. I put some cloves. But here I'm using some filter coffee. Filter coffee is a bit nicer, it gives a bit better taste. Just make sure that all the flavor of the coffee is gone in. With another good stir. And now comes the important bit. Using the back of the spoon, you slowly add the cream onto the coffee. And this is the Irish coffee. I hope you liked all my cocktails, my winter cocktails. And this is Big Bernie, wishing all of you a happy Christmas and a happy New Year.